and this thing dropped at 9:14 today. I'm on the road. I had to go out of town for a little bit, pick up my son. So I'm just waiting at this point. 'Cause I don't know. This move normally don't happen until 9:30, but that happened on the daily. So we caught a little bit of this trade. I was trying to trade this with y'all. Y'all be careful right now, man, 'cause this move happened way too early. So I'm either gonna look for it to push back up, or I'm gonna reset it through here. I'm gonna redraw this. If it breaks through the bottom again, then we'll get back in. Let me see. Y'all be careful though, man, 'cause it's yeah, it's one of them days. But luckily we gonna get through this. You can do it, and we gonna do it. I'm gonna draw this back up here. Do what I normally know how to do. And if it buys through here, back up through here, I won't get in until it breaks either here or at the top. But if it breaks the bottom again, which 9:30 will hit shortly. It wasn't supposed to do this, not this early, man. I looked next thing you know, I clicked over the trading view and I look, I'm like, what the hell? Next thing you know, that thing dropped. That thing drop. I'm just gonna sit right here and wait, man. Like I said, it done it at 9:14, which is crazy. Normally don't do a bigger push like this, a big of a push like this until like 9:30. So I'm thinking right now we're gonna consolidate till 9:30, and then we'll finish getting the final movement at 9:30, which would have kind of been perfect too, because if it would have sold, then we could have just ended up getting out. We missed this big movement, so I'm just waiting for it to go through here. I guess it tested this zone right here. So let me go ahead and draw this way. Now, since that's what we're doing, it tested this zone. So if it breaks it, then we good. Double tap the screen for me, chat. We trading on the road today. Normally I'm sitting in front of the computer at the house on the 40-inch or 49-inch curve, but not today. I had to run out and get my kids, so we trading on the road this morning. So right now, we got about another 10 minutes, and then we'll see what's going on. There's another movement, but it's selling pretty heavy right now on the daily right now. But there's no way that's gonna break. That's why this is tricky. So now we gotta sit here and figure out what's really going on. So we're gonna sit here and figure it out in the next 10 minutes or so. Hold on, let me make sure y'all can hear me first. Probably can't even hear me. Turn it off. I'll turn it. I don't know if the music gonna come on. Turn off what? The nah, you good on that. Need some air. Um, but yeah, man, if y'all can hear me earlier, like I said, that move happened at like 9:14. It's 9:20 now. We on the road trading, so we gonna see how this go, man. Like I say, I caught a little bit of the movement, but like I like to trade with y'all, so got a little bit of profit, but it ain't what I need. It ain't what I need to succeed. Greed is why you can't succeed. But today is one of them days. You feel me? So I'm thinking we might continue for a strong push. I don't know. Let's see what market structure looking like. Potential buy that just now have probably broke the buy trend on the 15, but it's been buying heavy on the daily. But the only thing that matters on the daily is the candle for today. Don't necessarily pay attention to that trend. So we'll like I say, y'all, this big movement right here happened right as I switched over to TradingView. News hits at 10 a.m., which could be a reason it's giving its feedback, but I won't get in right here. If it's gonna push, chat, I ain't gonna get in till it passes through here. I'm gonna just be honest, cause I don't want to lose no ends. That'd be real. I ain't got time for the tricks the markets play today. I got to get in, get out. But if it's gonna fall, we gonna catch it for the big ride. You feel me? So, what my boy off my favorite movie say? Face off, ready for the big ride, baby. That motherfucker Cash Detroit. That was my nigga, boy. Shout out Nicolas Cage, boy. Yeah. So if we looking to fall, it should happen around 9:30. If not, this kind of look like he want to push before then, man. But y'all know us, we gotta wait for confirmation first. If we breaking the trend, we need to clear it through here before I can get in. Again, at least. And like I say, that thing will shoot all the way up and all the way up. We catching it either way it go. So here in the nearest few minutes, we're gonna see what happens. Open them up, bro. Me and my wife sitting here eating some sunflower seeds. Yeah. That's how you break your morning fast. How much should I make? So I need about another thou wow. I can finish this off. So we getting ready to see what the deal is, chat. Here in about 2 minutes. I told y'all, we going live. We gonna do breakdowns. Y'all ain't gonna miss nothing with me. Not a now, not a. 5 more minutes, man. 5 more minutes. Damn, dog. It look like it want to push way for the end. That's what's crazy to me. But we got to see the whole view. We got to see the whole thing. It's dropping on that day. That shit finna break. It just broke. I'm waiting on the other counter. I ain't getting into the other counter. I mean, it's breaking. You see it. If it come through here, it's gonna fall all the way through here. At least for another strong push, but I don't want to get in that thing all the way up, then we're gonna just take what we got earlier. I feel like they're gonna pull in right when it's time to get in too. And I'm still gonna get in and get mine. Oh, motherfucker. Shit. Got something, but get your ass out of here. Go on. Alright, y'all. 9:30 prime time, baby, for any trade. 9:30 take out all this momentum and it'll push all the way back up, or it can finish falling. We got 5 more minutes. Don't be crazy and get in right now, because they will take your money. I'm trying to tell you. We're looking for re-entry. Right in here. That's perfect right there. Let's gain the momentum. Turn the brightness up on this thing. How bright as it is, bright. Get down. Oh, I was so cold. The thing ain't gonna turn to you, girl. Alright, my bad, y'all. You seen the car. It is what it is. So we in the car trading. Alright, y'all. It's pushing. If it break out this box, we in. As it can touch this bottom and retrace. Alright, y'all. Prime time. Almost approaching. Alright, y'all. We got a minute left. I feel like the thing finna buy up for some reason. But I don't know. It might break through there. If y'all can see this, my bad. If not, let me get close. Alright. It's rejecting heavy. One. It's gotta break through for me. That's them too. Alright, chat. I'm gonna come back.